Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding how you'll use the audio and then act. Open the YouTube audio library or search Creative Commons clips on YouTube right away. Once you find a track, download the WAV or MP3 file and immediately record the license type and any attribution text. Make sure to note whether commercial use is allowed. If it isn't, you'll need permission. This step prevents surprises later and gives you a concrete file to work with. Next, import the downloaded audio into your editor and perform practical edits. Trim, normalize, and add fades as needed. You should preserve a separate text file with the exact attribution line if the license requires it. Once done, double-check the license page again for commercial use and modifications. Creative Commons variants differ. If you edited the file, confirm the license allows derivatives. Make sure to keep the original file and metadata. They prove compliance if a claim appears. When publishing, place the required attribution into your video description exactly as specified, and upload the project file and license note to your records. If YouTube issues a claim, dispute it immediately by attaching the license screenshot, download proof, and the original file. Explain you followed the license terms. If problems persist, remove the track and replace it with a library or licensed piece. One troubleshooting tip: keep timestamps and original file names to speed up dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.